Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. I want to talk to you about some new t-shirts that we have for Everyday Tactical Vids that we made in conjunction with the Ember Shirt Company. So here's the backstory. The Ember Shirt Company reached out to a bunch of different people in the outdoor community. They designed shirts for those different people, and now these shirts are available to the public. Additionally, they have other cool designs that are maybe not connected to a specific, company or person, but they're just cool kind of outdoor looking shirts. They're based on kind of those old school drawings that you would see of like sketches if you were learning how to make a figure four or, make a fishing spear or something like that. So those kind of black and white sketches that you'd find like in Survival Guide. So that being said, here's the deal. You can pick up these shirts by using the link down below. Everyday Tactical Vids does get a little cut of that, which helps benefit the channel, so we can buy more gear, test more gear, get computer equipment, stuff like that. So thanks in advance if you pick up one of the shirts. The other thing I want to mention to you is that the Ember Shirt Company has, like I said, my shirt, other creator shirts. They have other shirts just in general. They're also doing a big giveaway, including a Medford that's being given away, a bunch of Mora items, other outdoor gear. I mean, it's just a really solid giveaway opportunity. So you got about 2 weeks to enter into that from the time of this video when they launch all the different shirts. They're quality shirts. Let me adjust my camera real quick here and show you. A lot of you guys know that I'm a pastor outside of what I'm doing here on YouTube. So this is like an S.E. Hungless look-alike, and then my Bible on the top of this stump, and then the Everyday Tactical Vids logo here. Now they do have this in the gray, which I've got right here. Let me show you some of the other options as well. So here's the tan with the black ink basically, and then you still have the logo there on the sleeve as well, as you can see. They also have the shirts available in tan with white print as well. So they also sent me a couple of the other designs that they have out there. You can see American flag on the sleeve of this one, and this one is a bow drill. There's your campfire. As far as sizes, they go from small all the way up to triple XL. Price point for these shirts is 28 bucks a pop. They will have other future designs coming up. So yeah, be checking back on a regular basis. Again, I got links down below in the description section. You can head over to their website. It's embershirtco.com, embershirtco.com. I've been working with these guys for the past probably, 4 months maybe, give or take, helping, chat with them about my shirt, and then they're telling me about their design process and stuff, making the shirts. These guys are focused on making a good quality t-shirt. They've been just doing tons of work to make sure that the quality of the shirts is good, the quality of the printing is good. So yeah, it's been a fun collaboration so far. Glad I got my own Everyday Tactical Vid shirts, and now you can pick them up as well. Let me give you another look at my shirt here. So there you have it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Links down below to the Ember Shirt Company, so you can head over there and pick up shirts. Maybe check out the other gear that these guys have as far as my designs, the other companies or other creators' designs and such. Yeah, just a cool collaboration. I think these guys are doing quality work. They've been good to work with. So thumbs up to the Ember Shirt Company, and yeah, pick up a t-shirt, support the channel, support the company, enter the awesome giveaway, and get a cool t-shirt. All right, guys, thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos and t-shirts coming soon. Take care.